Alright, so today we have the all-new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now you'll be like, Pratik, how is this the best Android smartwatch? And how is the Watch 6 series different from the previous Galaxy watches? Well, there are quite a few additional features with Watch 6 and one fan favorite feature is making a comeback. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's go! Okay, so you get this tall box. Inside you get the watch, some paperwork and a charging dock. Now already I can see the first change in Watch 6 Classic. See, the watch strap is very different from Watch 5. Plus on the Watch 6 Classic, if you want to remove the strap, all you have to do is press this button, simple. On Watch 5, you have to pull this partition from here. Now the strap here is like a hybrid of leather and silicone. Also you get different straps for Watch 6 Classic like this one or this. Now most of the features between the Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic are the same. Wherever needed, I'll mention the difference between both. Okay, there are 4 really cool and useful features with the Watch 6 series, and first would be tap to pay. Smartwatch that can do tap to pay without the need of a physical card or anything. Complete the setup process on the phone and done. Also, one thing to note is to use this tap and pay feature, you would need a Samsung phone and your Samsung phone needs to support Samsung Pay. And the second feature that I really love is this. See, the rotating bezel is back. I really don't know why Samsung removed it from Watch 5 series, but I'm glad that it is back, and it is back with a bang. Let me show you why. So we also have this Watch 4 Classic over here, which has the rotating bezel, but now if you compare it with the Watch 6 Classic, on Watch 6 the bezel looks so smaller. Like you will not realize that this is a rotating bezel just by looking at it. And I like that, subtle yet functional. Also, and I can't really show you this on camera, but when you rotate the bezel on Watch 6 Classic, the feel of it is smoother. Like, you know, the difference between that old choo 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 door or a new hydraulics smooth door. I don't know why I gave that example, but you get the point. Now, of course, the rotating bezel is only on Watch 6 Classic. Number 3 is Wear OS. Now, this is not a new feature to Galaxy watches. It's been 2 years since Samsung watches switched to Android, and ever since, the whole Samsung smartwatch game has gone from here to here. Like, for people who don't know, usually budget smartwatches give you the option to pick up calls or just reply to messages, but you cannot do real smartwatch stuff. You cannot download apps or use Assistant or even have a SIM card inside it. Like, see here you get full Google Assistant on the watch itself. So see, if I say, hey Google, set up an alarm for 5 minutes, see, it detected my voice so accurately. Or say, hey Google, can you open the Play Store? See, it opens the Play Store in the watch itself, and you can install all these apps. Which brings me to WhatsApp on Wear OS. See, you have the full WhatsApp app here. You can see all the chats and everything. This you cannot do on budget smartwatches or even the expensive Apple Watch. And here's my favorite Wear OS feature, Google Maps. So the other day, I was on a scooty going to a new place. I entered the destination here on the smartwatch. The entire maps open on my watch like this, and it is much safer to navigate this way on the watch instead of always looking at the phone. You will not get these features on the budget smartwatches. Also, for all the fancy people out there, you can download music on the watch and play it right here. It has 16 GB internal storage. And finally, health tracking. Now, Samsung's health tracking game was good even before Wear OS. And my favorite feature is auto workout detection. So, see, if you're walking for more than 10 minutes, it automatically detects your workout and then it starts counting steps, heart rate and everything. Now, this auto workout detection feature works when you are walking, running, cycling, swimming, etc. And I find it better than budget smartwatches because there you have to always manually start a workout before actually doing the work. Other than this, you also get SpO2 monitor and all the good stuff. Or you can even wear the watch to sleep and get data on how well your sleep was, if you snore or not. Now, these features were there in the Watch 5 as well, but with the Watch 6 series, you also get a body temperature sensor. So while sleep tracking, the watch can even sense your body temperature and note it, or you can use this third-party app and go bonkers with it. Let's see the temperature of this pair, and it's about 25 degrees. This is accurate. Let's see the temperature of this ice cold water bottle, and it shows about -7 degrees Celsius. Nice, so it can go minus as well. This is good, but it sort of feels like a solution without a problem. I mean, what would I do knowing the temperature? Now, the temperature sensor was also present on Watch 5, but it was not enabled for many countries. Jokes aside, the health tracking feature of the Watch 6 series have been improved. Other than these, the Watch 6 series also brings some quality of life improvements, like the display here looks brighter. So if you're outside on a sunny day like this, see, the watch and everything on the display is pretty visible. It can go like a crazy 2000 nits, and see, it can light my entire face in dark. Besides these, the animations here are more fluid. Like if I move from one tile to the other, it seems like the animation is smoother this time. Plus, every time you get a notification, you get it in this card shape, which makes the software more aesthetic in my opinion. Also, the battery life here is pretty good too, like with always on display, max brightness, continuous heart rate tracking. I was getting about 2 to 2.5 days of battery on a full charge. Also with the included charger, it can go 0 to 40% in about half an hour or so, which should easily last you one full day of use. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 6, the base model, also has slightly bigger battery this time around than last year's Watch 5, but even the screen is 20% bigger, so more or less you get the same 1 to 1.5 days of battery life. So that was the all new Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Like, it has all the good features of the previous generation and adds a little bit of extra features and improves upon it.